Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a graph from your data. So this data is totally bogus. I just put in numbers. They may not match your numbers at all, but please make sure you have units for flow rate. Mine's milliliters per second. That's logical. And change in temperature, maybe to Fahrenheit, maybe to Celsius. And then after that, you just have numbers. Okay, so here's how you make a graph in Sheets that will just instantly update for you in your Google Doc. So you're going to go into the table that I've given you, and you're going to go Insert, Chart, Line. You want a line graph. It's going to give you this default line graph that's useless. You're going to make it useful. So you're going to go here, and so up here, once again, you're going to click on the chart, and there's this little thing up in the upper right corner. You're going to go Link to Chart Options and scroll to Open Source. Okay, so it puts that data and the graph on Google Sheets, but again, this is useless. So let's just change this to what we want. We want flow rate. And again, that was in milliliters per second. If you don't have enough room, just go right here between the A and the B. And just move that over. That's plenty of room. Okay, in column B, I want change in temp. Again, probably Fahrenheit. I did it Celsius. That's awesome too. And again, let's go up here between B and C. Give me some more room. Column C, I'm going to delete all that data. I only want one line. Okay, so let's delete this and put in our actual data. It's best if you do it in the correct order. So what I mean by that is, I know I asked you to do the medium flow rate first, but you should put it in order from the slowest flow rate, 5.2, to the fastest. So 5.2 was my slowest, 15, and then 26. If you don't feel like this, I like to make mine down the middle. You don't have to. Okay, so 5.2, what did that cause a change in temperature? 5.2 is caused a 9-degree change in temperature. Awesome. And 15 caused 4. And my fastest rate of 26 caused a change in temperature of 1.2. And voila. Center this. The graph now is based on your data. It's still not great. It has a bad title. It doesn't have the Y and X axes labeled. So click on this so that you have these 3 little buttons, and boom, edit chart. You're going to customize, and you're going to go down to where it says chart axis and title. And this is not point scored. This is the specific flow rate, impact, or effect, if you like that, impact on change in temperature. Now I know what I'm looking at. I'm looking at flow rate, impact on change in temperature, but I don't know which one is which. So you're going to go to, again, chart and axis titles, but this time you're going to scroll down to horizontal and vertical titles. So my horizontal is my x-axis, and that is my flow rate in milliliters per second. So that is now very clear. And my vertical axis is my change in temperature. Again, that's probably degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius. There we go. That looks much better. Okay, so now you have a much better looking graph, and you simply go back to your data table. And when you go here, oh, it should, there it is. When you go here, it should give this little button now that says update. And when you click on that, there it is. Okay, if you want to do more to this, if you're like a Google Sheets Graph Pro, have at it, but that is what I expect from everyone.